Hello class 8 student. Today we will be solving exercise 5.1. So here we have to convert this number 89 into generalized form. So in smaller class we have learned the place value. So what is the place value of 9? It is ones and it is tens. So this 89 can be written as ones and tens. So place value of 8 is tens. So we will write 10 into 8. 10 into 8 as the place value of 8 is tens. So 10 into 8 plus place value of 9 is ones. So we will write 9. Then next is 583. So place value of 3 is ones. Then place value of 8 is tens. Then place value of 5 is 100. So we can write this as 100 into 5 as place value of 5 is 100. Then place value of 8 is tens. So plus 10 into 8. Then place value of 3 is ones. So plus 3. Then next question is we have to convert this number 10 into 8 plus 7 into usual form. So how we can do this? 10 into 8 is 80 plus 7. Then 80 plus 7 is 87. Then next 100 into 9 plus 10 into 7 plus 9. So 100 into 9 is 900 plus 10 into 7 is 70 plus 9. So what will be our number? 979. So 979. Now next question is find the values. We have to find the values of A, B and C. So now see, with 2 what you will add so that your answer will be 7. With 2 what you will add so that our answer will be 7. So 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many places? 5 places. So we will write here 5. Then with 3 what you will add so that your answer is 0. So what you will do? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many places we have count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 places we have count. So we will write here 7. 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 0 carry 1. 4 and 1 5. Then we need 8. 4 plus 1 carry 1 is 5. Then 6, 7, 8. So 3 places we have count. So here we will write 3. Then next question is C3A. 2 minus 2B1. Your answer is 564. That means in place of A what number you will write so that after deducting you will get 4. So what it will be? 5 minus 1 is 4. So in this blank we will write 5. So 5 minus 1 is 4. Then from 3 what you will deduct so that your answer is 6. So from 3 what you will deduct? So this 3 you have to make 13. So from 13 what you will deduct? 7. 13 minus 7 is 6. So we will write here 7. 13 minus 7 is 6. Carry 1 as we have taken 13. Carry 1. Then from this blank what you will deduct? 2 that your answer is 5. From this blank you will deduct 2 that your answer will be 5. As we have remainder 1. So what it will be? We can take it as 8. 8 minus 2 is 6 and carry 1 will deduct, then we will get 5. or in other ways you can do, we can add these two. 2 plus 5 is 7 and we have carry 1, so it will make 8. So what we will write here? 8. Now next question number 3. With 7 what you will multiply that your, here the answer will be 8. So 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28. So we will write here 4. 7 4s are 28. 28 8 carry 2. 7 2s are 14 carry 2 15 16. 16 6 carry 1. Then here what will be? Carry 1 is there. So 7 1 ja 7 1 ja 7 and carry 1 is 8. So here we will write 1. See 7 4s are 28. 28 8 carry 2. 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14 carry 2 makes 16. 16 6 carry 1. Then 7 1 ja 7 plus carry 1 is 8. Then next 0 4s are 0. 0 2s are 0. 0 1s are 0. Then here what you will write so that your answer is 8. So we know 4 2s are 8. So what you will write here? 2. 4 2s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Now this method here say exam. This exam word has been substituted and written as FYBN. Means after E what is the next letter? F. After X what is the next letter? Y. Then after A what is the next letter? B. And after M what is the next letter? N. So what we have to do? The next letter we have to write. We have to write the next letter. So what we will be doing? Let us see here. N. After N what is our next letter? O. After N our next letter is O. Then after B our next letter is C. Then after U our next letter is V. Then after I our next letter is J, F, G, N, O, B, C, U, V, J, K, D, E, T, U. Then question number 7. So question number 7 is how 3 threes can be used to get the result 6. So we have to write 3 threes in such a way that our answer will be 6. We have to write 3 threes in such a way that our answer will be 6. So 3 threes are 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. So we have arranged it in this way. So what will be? How 3 threes can be arranged? 3 into 3 minus 3. The result will be 6.